Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. And like in all two videos, I have told you the few lines about the Roman times, and I have explained a much more things about that, how to complete your work in which and which how to write down the chapters. So I might guess that you all are had understood that what we have to do, so what you have to do in the copy whenever you will start a new chapter. Again I am saying, just listen that whenever you will start the new chapter, date, chapter and chapter name, it should be there when you will start a new chapter, not any chapter, when you will start a new chapter. So when on that first page, please do this all things in the copy, so it looks the book pretty or pretty also, and it shows that how the good students you are. And I'm just telling you the story of the Roman times, that I told that nowadays we can just watch the cricket, and if we want to go outside to entertain ourselves, then we can use then you can go to watch the cricket and hockeys. In fact, if we want to entertain inside indoor also, then we can entertain from the TVs, from the musics, whatever we have. Nowadays we have lots of things to entertain ourselves. Now one more thing, that please wash your hand properly every 20 minutes, I think every 1 hour. Please wash it properly, so whatever the germs it is in your hand, it will just gone through. And please you don't and in fact, whenever you will go through the meal, so before meal you should wash your hand properly, so you will be a healthy person. Understood? Okay, then let's go through the chapter. And I told that so this is the story, it is related from the Rome, Italy. Right now it's the Italy. So how they entertain themselves, because nowadays our India's had developed, we have lots of games are there, lots of things that it can entertain ourselves. But on that time they don't have the television and the things, so that how they can't entertain themselves. So there one games are there, that is chariot racing games, which is where the two wheels vehicles are there, which is pulled by the horses. And in fact there it is very famous activities in Roman times, when 2000 years ago in Italy, and thousands of people would go to watch the races, because on that time they don't have anything to entertain them. So nowadays, suppose if we want to see the live cricket match, then we can use mobile and we can use the TV also, and we can sit at home and then we can enjoy the like live cricket. But on that time they don't have the TVs, so that time they are just going to watch the race, means thousands of people. And the biggest stadium was the Circus Maximus. So this is the biggest stadium in old Rome. Now and then this held 50 people, 250,000, means 250,000 people are participating in that game. So it means, so can you imagine, so it means like that it was about 3 times bigger than the modern stadium, like modern football stadium. It is the 3 times bigger than that football stadium. And there was a 4 famous chariot clubs, racing clubs in Rome also. And each club had different colors. Suppose in our school we have 4 houses. Saturday in fact we are using to wear like blue, green, red and blue and yellow. So like that also they have the 4 clubs which had different colors, so that it can indicate, yes, this is the color there, so this is the from that club, so this is from that club. So it shows that color shows that we are belonging from which club. So here is also they are using the different colors, so that it can shows that they are belongings from the which clubs. There were up to 24 races a day, means in one day there were 24 races. In fact, one day 24 races are held. Now, the best chariots, who were often slaves, become rich and famous. The means like the chariots, the people who are participating, those who are big, those who are slaves means they don't have any money and they are just working in the kingdoms, in the kings. So the slaves, after that they playing that games, they become rich and famous. Which game they are playing? The chariots. Then after they become a rich and famous. But the chariot racing was very dangerous. Can you imagine that? Because it's very dangerous and often races there, horses were killed. It's like a war. Suppose it is very dangerous also, and in fact the racers, the another racers, they can kill your horses also, so that you can just be out from the race. Can you imagine that how danger? Because they wants to protect themselves, so that's why they are just going to kill the another horses so that they can protect themselves. Like here also, if they saw that someone is just going first, so just they are just growing their speed, and then after they are killing the horse. So it is very dangerous game. So after that, the slaves who are just participating the games, they become the famous and rich, who's the winner. Now between the races, the Romans was gladiators fight to death. So between the race is there. So on that time, the Romans, the people of the Romans, they are watching the person who are fighting with animals. In fact, they are using the stethoscope. So with the help of that, they are watching that with which clubs are fighting and which are dead. Now, not all of the entertainment was so bloodthirsty. In fact, not all the entertainment was bloodthirsty, but some are there who just are very cruel and who just wants to the blood, who just very bloodthirsty. But not all the people. They were also acrobats, clowns, junglers to watch. In fact, they are using the acrobats, like perform different arts of movement of the body, and they are throwing the things in the air so that they can catch them. The people who are racing, who are just racing, so they can catch them. So that all they are watching, the people who are going to watch, so these all are watching. So it's a very interesting and danger game also. So yeah, only that much, and I think you guys had understood the chapter. That much more information, I think that it will go out from your mind. So it's better that when you will grow, when you will go higher class, so that you can learn it in higher classes. Only that much information is there, so that's only that much information I am giving you, and the word meaning that I will give you in the next video. So please watch the next videos, and in fact, whenever I will start the next video to give a word, before we will summarize, we will just take a short look of this story. So please watch the next videos, and please be at home and complete your all work at a time. Thank you and have a nice day.